Hello students, welcome to the class. I'm Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about counseling and guidance advantages. When we see these advantages, definitely we are having lot of benefits, but we can make three different categories to study these benefits, like student, teacher, and administration. In this three level, let us discuss now what are the advantages we are having. Now, advantages we are discussing about students. Now, students get an opportunity to understand about themselves, understand their strength and weakness. It provides a chance to the student to understand their ability and potentiality. It helps the student to recognize which area they are much more capable to perform well. It helps the student to select the course in the sense maybe select any specialized stream in their higher education. It also helps the students to make certain classroom adjustments, adjust themselves to the situations, to others and curriculum, syllabus. They can make an adjustment. It helps the students to understand like how good they are to perform in this professional course. If they're not finding it easy, if they're not finding it able to cope, then they can seek the help so that they're able to cope with certain matters. It also helps the students that develop a free communication with their teacher. They can speak with the teacher. If they find any problem, they can seek academic help from their teacher. Now, definitely, a student get an opportunity to solve their personal problems, as well as they can also solve certain social issues, some conflicts and social problems. Definitely, students get an opportunity to get a guidance in occasional, occupation, personal and academic performance. Also, students can select the occupation. Maybe okay, if you want to speak about nursing, in nursing it is doesn't mean that you need to work as a staff nurse in hospital. There are lot of opportunities, lot many more opportunity, but only the thing is that you must aware. Now that awareness they are getting with the help of guidance. So these all are the benefit what students are getting. Next, teacher. Now a teacher can identify the level of her student, the average students, bright students, dull students. Now based on that, teacher can provide her teaching classes so that she can help each and every students to improve themselves. A teacher is getting a help that she is able to make her class quite interesting and what is it, so lively. Then a student's teacher can provide a guidance to the students so that she can help the students to provide some personal and social problems can be solved. A teacher also able to develop potentiality to deal with all kind of students. It doesn't mean that teacher need to meet only a need of a bright students. Definitely there will be dull and average students, but teacher, see, when a new teacher and unlike teacher don't have any experience, they may really find it difficult to manage the students. But here, this counseling and guidance even help the teacher to manage her students. Teacher can manage her classroom. Teacher will able to develop such qualities. Now, teacher also she's benefited that she can provide occasional social academic counseling and guidance to the students. Also, she is able to identify the maladjustment behavior, adjustmental problem in a student, and she can make the students feel comfortable and get adjusted to their classroom environment. Now teacher herself getting a lot of opportunity to grow in this profession. See, with the help of counseling and guidance, she is getting information how she can pursue certain growth, pursue certain courses, or else how she can improve herself in her profession. See, this also added benefit for the teacher. Now next is management or administration level, how they are like how they are getting a benefit or advantages. Now counseling and guidance help the management to select the right candidate for right course. Like physical fitness is required, mentally you must be stable. See, these all things can be done during time of assessment. Management can make a right policy for the students. Okay. Also, Management can organize certain guidance programs so the teacher and students can get involved in the program. They can develop a good classroom relationship. So definitely there will not be any discipline problems, or there will not be any problems regarding their academics. A college can get a better results, and definitely institution is get what is that, good name and fame. For that reason, counseling is required, or guidance is required from point of view of administration. Then it also identify, guidance and counseling help the management to identify which area required little more support and assistance, which area they need to make little more improvement. Definitely administration, they may have lot of what is that, commitments to do, maybe infrastructure, facilities, accommodation, hostel, travel. See, now when we do this counseling guidance, administration, they'll come to know that okay, we need to bring improvement in infrastructure, we need to bring improvement in the transport facility. See, this information they will get, and this is definitely benefited to the student as well as management as well as teachers, so that all together all are getting a benefit. That's mainly because of management, sorry, that's mainly because of counseling and guidance. Now, apart from that, they can improve, they can promote certain policies, student welfare policies, teacher welfare policies. So management is maintaining the standard of their education policies. Management is meeting the need of a teacher and student. See, we are getting lot of no benefits and advantages. We can divide it that into student, teacher and administration level. Definitely, these all benefits we are getting only because of counseling and guidance. A very simple topic. If you get any questions, write the advantages of counseling or advantages of guidance. Then you need to write this answer. You need to make a separate column like student, teacher, and administration, and write all the points under that, so that you are able to secure some good marks. So please keep watching, and I say thank you to all.